Today, we're diving deep into California's newest tenant protections under Senate Bill 567, which is a significant update to the state's Tenant Protection Act of 2019. Let's unpack what this means for renters in the Golden State. California has always been at the forefront of enacting protections for its residents. And with the introduction of SB-567, it's taking a giant leap forward. This addresses critical issues identified in the original Tenant Protection Act, specifically around no-fault cause evictions and the enforcement of rent increase caps. First, let's talk about making sure evictions are for just cause, not just 'cause. Under the original law, landlords had a loophole that allowed them to evict tenants with minimal justification. Basically, by just saying they were going to move into a covered rental unit or were going to be making major renovations, landlords could meet the requirement for no-fault just cause and force tenants out in just 60 days. But SB 567 tightens these requirements significantly. For instance, if a landlord or their family member wants to move into a unit, they now must do so within 3 months of the tenant vacating and live there for at least 12 continuous months. And for those evicting tenants to perform substantial renovations, they'll need to provide solid proof of their plans, like signed contracts or permits. This change is huge. It adds a layer of accountability, preventing landlords from displacing tenants without genuine cause. Now, on to penalties. Originally, the law had quite the bark but lacked teeth, meaning there were rules but no real consequences for breaking them. SB 567 changes that. Landlords now face serious repercussions for non-compliance, including paying tenants legal fees, costs, and up to triple their actual expenses. In cases of willful misconduct, punitive damages are also on the table. These updates are a game changer. They ensure that tenant protections are not just theoretical, but backed by the full force of the law. Set to take effect on April 1st, 2024, SB 567 represents a significant step forward in protecting California tenants. That's all for today's deep dive. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe